Good day everyone. So for today we are going to present about the predictive analytics for animal behavior, understanding and anticipating animal behavior for early health issue detection. Importance of understanding animal behavior in health management. Understanding animal behavior in health management serves as a valuable indicator of their overall well-being. Behavioral changes often precede the physical symptoms, offering early insights into potential health issues. By closely monitoring behavior, caregivers and veterinarians can detect signs of stress, illness, or discomfort, enabling timely intervention. This presentation focuses on leveraging predictive analytics to enhance comprehension of animal behavior, and this predictive analytics involves analyzing historical data to predict future outcomes. Applied to animal behavior, it enables the anticipation of health issues before they become apparent through traditional observations. This proactive approach allows for early intervention and personalized care, ultimately improving the overall health and welfare of animals under the management. And why do animal behavior matters? The connection between animal behavior and overall health is intrinsic, serving as a powerful indicator of their physical health and mental well-being. And the behavioral changes often provide early signals of underlying health issues, offering a window into an animal's internal state. And by recognizing that animal behavior serves as an integral aspect of their well-being. Understanding the nuanced language of behavior provides insights into their mental and physical health. Animals express themselves through behavior, providing valuable cues for their emotional and physical states. Addressing behavior alongside physiological symptoms for comprehensive health care. And we also have here the examples such as the appetite and eating habits and the social interactions. So for appetite and eating habits, for normal behavior, an animal typically exhibits a consistent appetite and eating pattern, while for a health indicator, a sudden change in eating habits such as decreased appetite or excessive eating may signal dental problems, digestive issues, or systematic illness. And for the second one, we have here for the social interactions. So for normal behavior, animals engage in interactions with conspecifics, displaying established social hierarchies, while for the health indicator, withdrawal from social interactions, aggression, or sudden changes in group dynamics may signal stress, pain, or illness.
So next is let's talk about predictive analytics overview. So predictive analytics in farm animals refers to the application of advanced data analysis techniques to historical data sets related to animal behavior, health, and environmental condition. So the primary goal is to identify the patterns, correlations, and trends that can be used to forecast future outcomes and make informed decisions in managing the health and well-being of the animals. So this is involves using historical data, statistical algorithm, and machine learning techniques to make prediction about future events or behaviors related to animals. So how it involves analyzing historical data to predict future outcomes. So first is the data collection. So the data collection is the process begins by collecting comprehensive historical data from various sources within the farm environment. So the data collection is the process of gathering and capturing information from various sources within the farm. Second is the data pre-processing. So it is raw data is then pre-processed to ensure accuracy and consistency. So the data pre-processing is a critical step ensure that the data used for analysis and modeling in a suitable form. Third is the feature selection. So relevant features or variables that have a significant impact on animal behavior and health are selected for analysis. So in the context of predicting future outcomes, it plays a crucial role in enhancing the performance of predictive models. So the goal is to retain the most informative and impactful features while discarding those that may not contribute significantly to the prediction task. Fourth is the algorithm selection. So it is advanced machine learning algorithms such as decision trees, regression models, or neural networks are chosen based on the specific characteristics of the data. So it also a crucial step in the process of analyzing data. So it involves choosing the most appropriate predictive modeling algorithm or a combination of algorithm based on the characteristics of the data of the nature of the prediction task. Fifth is the training the model. So the selected algorithm is trained using the historical data where it learns to identify associations between different variables and their impact on animal behavior. So the trained model can then be used to make prediction on new unseen data. So the effectiveness of the model is determined by its ability to generalize well to know situation, producing accurate and reliable prediction for the future outcomes. Sixth is the predictive analysis. So once the model is trained and validated, so it can be applied to current or future data to make prediction about animal behavior. And lastly is the continuous improvement. So predictive analytics is an iterative process. As new data becomes available, the model can be updated and refined, improving its predictive capabilities over time. So by leveraging predictive analytics in farm animals, farmers and veterinarians can proactively address potential health concerns, optimize feeding strategies, and enhance overall managing practices. And also, it ultimately contributing to improve animal welfare and farm productivity.
Data collection method. So one example of the data collection method is the sensors. Utilizing a spectrum of sensors to capture diverse behavioral cues. Examples: motion sensors, temperature sensors, and accelerometers. Different data sources provide a comprehensive view of animal behavior, and diverse sources mitigate the risk of relying on a single perspective, reducing observational bias. Second, we have the cameras, harnessing the power of visual data to decode behavioral nuances. Applications: video cameras for continuous monitoring and analysis. Overlapping data from various sources enhances the accuracy of behavioral analysis, while redundancy minimizes the impact of errors in individual sensors or devices. Different sources capture behavioral data in varying contexts. Understanding behavior in different situations reveals broader patterns. So the third one is the biometric devices, capturing unique physiological markers for personalized behavior analysis. Examples: wearable devices tracking heart rate, body temperature, or GPS location. Biometric devices offer personalized data, recognizing individual variations. Fine-tuning interventions based on individual behavioral trends, combining data from various sources allows for the analysis of behavior over extended periods, detecting gradual shifts in behavior that may indicate evolving health conditions. The fusion of sensor, camera, and biometric data enriches our understanding of animal behavior. In data lies the key to unlocking the intricacies of animal behavior for proactive health management. So, next one is the case studies. Precision livestock farming. Application: PLF utilizes predictive analytics to monitor livestock health. Sensors collect data on factors like feeding patterns, activity levels, and temperature. Outcome: early detection of deviations from normal behavior can signal potential health issues. For example, changes in feeding habits might indicate illness, enabling prompt intervention. Companion animal health monitoring. Application. Wearable devices for pets collect data on activity, sleep, and physiological parameters. Outcome. Predictive models can identify deviations from normal behavior, aiding pet owners and veterinarians in detecting issues like arthritis, diabetes, or stress. These examples showcase the versatility of predictive analytics in monitoring and maintaining the health of animals across various contexts, from livestock farming to wildlife conservation and companion animal care.
Benefits of early detection. So number one is improved treatment outcomes. Quick identification of health problems enables veterinarians to initiate appropriate medical intervention, leading to a higher likelihood of successful recovery and improved overall health outcomes for the animals. So ang kining improved treatment outcomes kay in result is mas effective siya and less invasive treatments. So kini siya kay maka-reduce sa severity and duration of illness. And number 2 kay cost effectiveness. So cost effectiveness is an early detection can significantly reduce the overall cost of veterinary care. Timely intervention may prevent the progression of disease, reducing the need for more complex and expensive treatment. So kining cost effectiveness kay maka-benefits ni siya sa both animal owners and healthcare providers in terms of cost savings. Then ang number 3 kay prevention of spread of diseases. So early detection is preventing the spread of contagious disease among animals. So ang gina-implement gid ani kay itong quarantine, ibutang sila sa quarantine facilities para dili ma-outbreak to reduce the risk of an outbreak sa mga tao in situation where zoonotic disease are concerned, those that can be transmitted between animals and humans. So early detection helps protect para pod ni sa mga ay dili lang kay sa animals pati na pod sa mga tao malikayan ni. Then number 4 kay enhance animal welfare. So early intervention contributes to better overall animal welfare by minimizing the duration and severity of suffering. Animal in distress, pain can experience improved quality of life within issues are identified and addressed promptly. So dapat ma-regular monitoring and early para ma-detect siya og sayo, then support preventive measures, ensuring the animals are provided with optimal living conditions, nutrition, and care to maintain their well-being. So, ang number 5, the last, kay increase productivity in agriculture. And sa livestock farming, kay early detection of health issues can prevent the spread of disease within the herd. Healthy animals are more productive, leading to better yields in terms of meat, milk, or other agricultural products. Timely identification of health problems also minimize the economic losses associated with reduced productivity, as sick animals may not perform at their full potential. So
let's proceed to another topic. Implementing and predictive analytics in animal behavior studies comes with various challenges. And two prominent issues are ethical considerations and data privacy concerns. So let's proceed to the topic, challenges and considerations. In ethical considerations, informed consent. Unlike human subjects, animals cannot provide informed consent or participating studies. Researchers must ensure that any interventions or monitoring methods used are ethically sound and considerate of the welfare of the animal involved. Handling of sensitive data. Predictive analytics may involve collecting and analyzing sensitive data related to animal behavior. Its ethical considerations include how
how this data is obtained, stored, and used with a focus on minimizing harm and ensuring the well-being of the animals. Let's talk about data privacy concerns. Identifiable information. Animal behavior studies may involve collecting data that could potentially identify individual animals. Researchers must be cautious in handling and disseminating such data to avoid compromising the privacy of the animals and their habitats. Data security. Ensuring the security of the data is crucial. Unauthorized access or data breaches could have negative consequences, not only for the animals but also for the integrity of the research and the trust of stockholders involved. So, in this topic, addressing these challenges requires a comprehensive approach that involves ethical review boards, clear communications between stakeholders, and the development of guidelines for responsible data collections and analysis. Striking a balance between scientific objectives and ethical consideration is the key ensuring the successful and responsible implementations of predictive analytics in animal behavior studies.